Memories, too. One remains in his memories that have passed, for his mind holds on to himself. He lives in that mind, and that mind has become him. One lives in this world thinking that he is his true self, when actually his true self simply exists as it is. Man speaks of the emptiness and the futility he feels, but that emptiness and futility must be absent in order for him to be his true self. In his mind, man's thoughts hold on to everything that is of his past memories, which is why he lives ignorant of who he is. One's true self is absent of anything and everything. Originally, man was absent of his mind, but currently he is unable to escape from it.